Hello all, welcome to Code Hub. Today let us solve the LeetCode's daily challenge, and the problem is find original array from the doubled array. An integer array original is transformed into a doubled array changed by appending the twice the value of the every element in original array and then randomly shuffling the resulting array. Given an array changed, return original if if it is a doubled array. If change is not a doubled array, return an empty array. The elements in original may be returned in any order. So this is the given array 1, 3, 4, 2, 6, 8, and actually this is the original array. We have to return answer 1, 3, 4. Why it is so? 1 into 2, which is nothing but 2, is present in the array, and 3 into 2, which is 6 is also present in the array. 4 into 2, 4 into 2, which is 8 is also present in the array. And we know that 1, 3, 4, if we twice them, we get 2, 6, 8, which is present in the array. So we return 1, 3, 4 as our answer. So let us try to observe some cases so that we get a clear understanding. First, what we can ask to the interviewer is whether the array will be containing duplicates. Here I see that this question will be containing duplicates, since they have not given, they did not say that the array is going to be unique. So definitely this array should contain duplicates. So let us take some examples for the duplicate cases. If this is the input, we return the answer to be 1, 1. Why so? Because the 2 into 1 is 2, which is present in the array, and 2 into 1, which is 2, which is present in the array. If it is there is only 1, then obviously we cannot say this, we cannot return any doubled array. So we can want to return an empty array. For this case 1, 1, 2. So 1, 1, 2, 2 will be the output will be the 1, 1. So here there will be duplicates. So if we have duplicates, how we can handle? So what we can do is, we are actually we are actually very concerned about their frequency, since if their frequency is present, if the one's frequency is 2 and 2's frequency is also 2, if there is a there is a 1 which is having a frequency 2, then there should be another 2 elements which is twice the 1. I think I'm making sense. Hope you understand. If there is an element 1 which is having a frequency 2, this is frequency which is having a frequency 2, then if this element should be a double times, then the 1 into 2 should also have 2 frequency, at least 2 frequency, because if it has only 1 frequency, then 1 can pair with only 1, 2, and there is another one remaining, so it cannot pair with another 2, since it is frequency is only 1. So it should have at least 2. If it can also have 3 based on some cases. If why so? If this 1, 1 and 2, 2, this 1, 1 can pair with these 2, and if there is another 2 and 4, this 2 can pair with this 4. How so? Because twice of 2 will be 4, so this 2 can pair with this 4, so the output will be 1, 1, 2. So this will be the output for this array. So hope I think I'm making sense. So if it can be having duplicates, so that we can use a map. This is our thought process, but we can have a map. But if we traverse in any order, that is, if we traverse first 2, then we may go for 2 into 2, which is 4. We may go and see for 4, but we should not see in that way. First we have to satisfy the smaller elements. That is very important, because this one should be mapped with other 2, twice of 2, and if we have 2 is the smallest element, then 2 should be mapped with 4. 2 into 2, which is 4. If we take first itself the 4 element 4, then we will be tend to see 4 into 2, which is 8. so we should not do so. So we can have a sorted map which is normal map itself in C++. So let us see some other cases. What if the element is having 0? Yeah, they have mentioned that 0 changed of I can have 0 as well. So another case which is element is 0. Element is 0. If the element is 0, then twice of 0 is also 0. So obviously we want to check whether that is having a even number of frequencies, because if there is an even number of frequencies for 0, then we can say we can take half of them into our resultant vector. So hope these are the cases that I am looking into. So let us try to write our approach in an algorithmic manner. Approach. First, define a map and store the frequencies. Now then we will be traverse the map and check to star element is present. If this is going to present, then if frequency of 2 star element is lesser, then return empty vector, empty array. Else what we can say, reduce frequency of 2 star element. So this can be done, and we also want to handle the case for 0. So let us try to code the approach, and then let us see if we have left in some other cases. So let us take this vector and initialize vector int res and int n equal to transform into a double array, changed an integer array original. So I will call this as original, and size is nothing but changed dot size. So I should define a map. I will define an unordered map int n into my int. I will first traverse the array, change mp of num plus plus. I have got the frequency now. Now I am going to traverse the array, traverse the map. While traversing the map, I will be checking whether if num is greater than 0. If my num is equal to 0, then what I should do is I should case 0. Case 0 is nothing but num equal to 0. I should handle them. If frequency ampersand 1, if this is going to be odd, just return an empty vector. If this is not odd, then I should take half of the frequency, while I will write function push this current element num, how many number of times, frequency number of times, to my original array. So this function will take care of it. What will be this function will be doing is void push int num and int frequency vector int original. While this frequency number of times, what I will be doing is original dot pushback of this num. So this function will just push frequency number of times into our array. So next what we can do is If this number is not 0, then I should check for the double twice twice element. Twice element is nothing but 2 star num. If twice element is present in our map, if mp dot find of twice element is not equal to mp dot end, if that is find in our map, and if my mp dot twice element is greater than or equal to my current element's frequency, then I can go. Else I can just return an empty vector if this case fails. Okay, if this twice element is found in map and if their frequency is greater than or equal to the current element frequency, then what I can do is mp of twice element minus equal to frequency. I will make this frequency. Now again what I will be doing is, if my mp of twice element is equal to 0, then obviously I can erase this element from my map dot erase of twice element. This I can be doing it, after which I should consider this one is having 2 frequency and 2 is having 2 frequency. Then I am seeing this one is already present in the array, so this twice element is nothing but 2. Since 2 is present in the map and their frequency is also greater than or equal to their frequency, first I am reducing the mp dot 2's frequency by 2, after which I have also erased this element. After erasing that, I will push this num frequency number of times to my original array. So that's it. And finally, after completing this, I am just returning my original array. So hope I have handled all the cases. Let us try to run our code and check whether it is running for all the cases. Yeah, it got accepted. The time complexity for the solution will be order of n and space complexity is also order of n. Hope it should get accepted. Yeah, it got accepted. Superb. Hope you liked this video and let me know in the comments if there is any suggestions to be made. Let us see in tomorrow's LeetCode daily challenge. Until then, bye. Hope you like the solution. This is the code I also for once.